Can virtual veterinary services prescribe medication for pets? In recent days, there has been a surge of interest in virtual veterinary services. Pet owners are increasingly turning to online consultations for their furry friends' health needs. This trend raises an important question. Can virtual veterinary services actually prescribe medication for pets? As many pet owners search for convenient and accessible care, understanding the regulations surrounding this topic is essential. Virtual veterinary services can prescribe medication for pets, but this ability depends on specific legal and regulatory requirements that vary by location. Generally, a licensed veterinarian must establish a valid veterinarian client-patient relationship before prescribing medication, whether the consultation occurs in person or virtually. In the United States, laws requiring that a veterinarian be licensed in the state where the pet resides to prescribe medications legally. This means the veterinarian must have examined the pet recently to ensure the prescription is appropriate and safe. Some states have adapted regulations to allow telemedicine consultations to fulfill this requirement, especially when in-person visits are difficult. However, controlled substances have stricter rules. They often requiring an in-person examination or more stringent verification before a prescription can be issued. For example, in Washington state, only licensed practitioners authorized to prescribe controlled substances can dispense or prescribe such medications. The practitioner must be licensed to practice in that state. Veterinary prescriptions for pets must be handled with care to ensure safety and legality. Prescription drugs should be obtained only through licensed veterinary pharmacies or distributors authorized under law. This prevents risks associated with counterfeit or unsafe medications. Virtual veterinary services typically coordinate with licensed pharmacies to deliver prescribed medications to pet owners. In other countries, such as Australia, written prescriptions must meet strict documentation standards and be issued by registered medical practitioners. Electronic prescriptions are often not accepted for importation or dispensing because of verification challenges. Overall, virtual veterinary care can provide prescriptions when the veterinarian has the legal authority, has conducted an appropriate consultation, and complies with state or national regulations. This makes virtual vet care a practical option for many pet owners seeking accessible and timely medical advice and treatment for their pets, provided that the necessary legal steps are followed. Regular follow-ups and checkups may still be required to monitor the pet's condition and adjust medications as needed.